Hey guys, Kyle Martin here, and to the best of my ability, I'm going to explain how to solve these problems. So let's go ahead and get started. We have given that the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 equals 1, given that the limit of g of x as x approaches 2 is equal to negative 5, and the limit of h of x as x approaches 2 equals 0. Okay? And it says, find the limits if they exist. If the answer does not exist, enter does not exist. So we start with part A, of course. And the first thing that we're going to do in solving this problem is actually rewrite it. So we're going to rewrite this problem and distribute it. And this is what it's going to look like. So we're going to rewrite it as the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 plus the limit of 2g of x. And all we did here is we distributed this limit into the parentheses. This is the exact same equation. So we actually have the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. The limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 1. So we can just go ahead and rewrite this as 1. So 1 plus the limit of 2g of x as x approaches 2. We can also rewrite this and just put the 2 in front of this equation. So we'll have 2 times the limit of, 2 times the limit of g of x as x approaches 2. And again, we have the limit of g of x as x approaches 2. That's equal to negative 5. So we can just rewrite this as 1 plus 2 times negative 5. And we're almost there. So 1 plus 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and 1 plus negative 10 is negative 9. And we're done. That's it for part A. Alright, so moving on to part B, we have the limit of g of x to the power of 3 as x approaches 2. Alright. So we actually have the limit of g of x, but we're looking for g of x to the power of 3. So we're actually going to rewrite this and distribute the power of 3 on the outside of the parentheses. So it'll look like this. And we have the limit of g of x as x approaches 2. It equals negative 5. So we can rewrite this as just negative 5 to the power of 3. And negative 5 to the power of 3 is equal to negative 125. And that's it. I hope this gave you a little bit of an introduction to solving limit problems, and I hope that it was detailed and I did a good job explaining it. Thank you so much.